Okay, so let's take a quick look at exporting citations from Embase. We're going to start with exporting a single citation. So I'm going to click on the title of this first entry in my list of results, and I'm going to save the citation. Just so you know, I'm not saving the full text when I do this, just the citation information. So here is the article information with the abstract and other information. On the side navigation, you have some options for emailing, for printing. One of those is also export. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up the export dialog. Note that I have mine set by default to RAS format, which is the main format for exporting and importing citation information into your tools. All the tools, Mendeley, EndNote, RefWorks can manage it, but you can change this if you want, either individually as you export or save your preferences. But I'm going to keep this on RAS format. It gives you all the information that it's exporting. All you do next is click on export, and at this point, click on download. It's going to download an RAS file that you can then import to your citation tool of choice. Now back on my list of results, I'm going to do multiple exports. There's a couple ways you can do that. You can select by checking the boxes next to these of the entries that you want to export. So you're going to select those and then just click export here. It'll open up a little bit different version, but basically that same dialog box where it gives you your default, in this case RAS. Again, you can change that if you want. So you can do, say, those four. You can select all of your results. Just note that's going to be on this page. Or if you click on this drop-down box, you'll see you can do more. Now this one has too many results, so we're not going to obviously export all of these. But if there were, say, 874, I could just select those all to import. But you can see for bulk results like this, you could only do 10,000 at a time. But hopefully, as this is just an example, you're not going to actually want to export so many results in the future. One thing to be aware of if you have your search history on, so I'm going to open that up, you're going to see another export. So there's one up here, one down here. You'll want to use the bottom one next to results. This export is not for citations. And the final way we can export is to do it from multiple searches. So here I'm just going to click off of this. Say I only want to do 3 from this search. What I'm going to do is add them to a temporary list. And you'll see 3 records were added to your temporary list. Just be aware, once you sign out and close Embase, that list will disappear. But as long as we're still doing our search, we can continue using that. So at this point, I can start a brand new search, just in the effort of saving time. I'm just going to come down here. I'll select 3 different ones. I'll add those to my temporary list. And then at this point, I can open that up, just click on that link, and we'll give it a second. And here are our 6 records. And so at this point, I can, again, select individual ones if I want, or just select all of them. Click on export as we did before. Same thing, just select your format, hit export, and download that file. So hopefully that'll get you started with exporting citations in Embase.